Why would someone build a home for a turtle? What made me stop on this path and decide to give a new life to this teeny creature? Stay with me because what you are about to see will completely change the way you look at animals around you. I found this little turtle right in the middle of my fields. It was slowly trying to cross, not knowing how dangerous the open path could be. Tractors, people, and even stray animals pass from here, and I knew this innocent life might not survive long on its own. So I gently picked it up. In one hand I held the turtle and in other hand I carried tools and a water container because I had already decided I would build a small home for this turtle where it could live safely. I walked down the path thinking where the little life could find peace. Finally, I chose place under the shade of a big tree. It was a quiet corner away from the busy fields, cool and perfect for a small turtle to hide and live peacefully. As I carried the turtle and my tools, I kept thinking if we humans can make home for ourselves, why cannot we give a home to an animal that cannot even ask for it? Once I reached the spot, I put the turtle aside carefully and started digging the soil. With my hoe, I removed the hard surface and made a deep pit. This was not just a hole, this was going to become a safe shelter, a place this turtle could call its home. This soil was soft under the shade, which made it easier to work. I wanted to make sure the hole was big enough and safe for the turtle to fit in comfortably. After cleaning the pit, I poured water into the using the container I brought. For a turtle, water is not just comfort, it's survival. The moment water touched the soil, it felt like I was creating a new little world for this teeny creature. The earth absorbed some of it, but the pit still held enough water for the turtle to enjoy. Now came the most special moment. I gently placed the turtle into its new home, and what happened next truly touched my heart. The turtle lowered its neck and started moving around quickly as if it instantly felt safe and happy. The way it splashed into the water, the way it moved freely. It was like it had finally found the comfort it was searching for. To make sure this home remained safe, I placed a few bricks around it. These bricks would act as a sign that this was now the turtle home and also provide some protection, but I left one side open so the turtle could come and go freely, making it feel natural and not trapped. This may just be a small turtle, but for me, this was a huge lesson. Every living being deserves care, safety, and love. If you liked watching this little journey, then I invite you to stay connected with me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook account. Thank you.